Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today I'll be reviewing the Xiaomi Civi 1S. As you probably know from the name, 1S is not going to be a huge upgrade from the original Xiaomi Civi. You know what does S mean? S means subscribe. Anyway, I've already done an unboxing yesterday on Keybuy. You can check it out if you are interested. Basically, it's the same as the original Xiaomi Civi. It doesn't offer a power adapter, but it has a 3.5mm headphone jack to Type-C port adapter. What we are going to do in this video is taking numerous photos, especially selfie photos. I'm just eager to try their 4D tracking or those Beauty 2.0. Those sounds gimmicky, right? I'm glad to have my wife, May here, to be my model. Yeah, she's going to take photos for us. Shall we?
Yeah.
Let's get started. Alright, so one upgraded feature Xiaomi claimed was the native beauty portrait 2.0 for good looking. It works at a pixel level as it uses generative adversarial network, GAN. This terminology. Let's just check some photos. So this is the selfie photo by the original Civi, while this one is by the Civi 1S. Well, in my opinion, the photo from the original Civi feels too white and too soft. I would say the 1S does give you a more natural beauty effect. I can see more details on the skin. Less softly is works better. What do you think? I also took a selfie photo by myself and really liked it. It's natural and masculine, at least I think so. I remember the first time I was using the original Civi, I even felt too embarrassed to take a photo. It makes me look like a female Sammy. The Civi 1S also claimed it can beauty girls and boys separately if take a photo together. It is true, but I feel less impressive. Also, I have one question. What if I dress like a girl like this? How could it differentiate and apply beauty algorithm? I don't know, and don't have time to try it out either. Another upgrade is the company's CyberFocus human eye tracking system. It's said that this technology is derived from Xiaomi's CyberDog. Here's how it works. But what the wolves lost the tracking? Yes, it loses the eye tracking easily when you turn your head around. Seems not so cyber. That's why when you want to shake hands with the CyberDog, you have to put your hands in front of him. He cannot track you if you stand sideways. Xiaomi also uses 4D light chasing beauty technology for makeup. This one is really good. As you can see, my wife didn't wear makeup, but it makes her look like with one, and it's super natural and detailed. But this really makes me think of the Oppo Reno 6, which features the same natural makeups. If you're wondering about the video, here is it. Special thanks to Simi.
Very stable, right? And really accurate. You see, even if we point for some place very bright, it will react very quickly. Well, I like it.
For the back camera, it's the same as the original Civi. Here are some photo and video samples if you are interested to know.
This is the rear camera, and let's try to move a little. It reacts very fast, right? Against the light, you see?
Okay, that's the camera test. To be honest, I'm impressed with the upgrades when I check these photos one by one. It did make the photos more natural and detailed, but I'm not sure if the original Civi can have the same feature through the firmware update. After all, basically they have the same camera hardware. Speaking of that, the biggest hardware update for the Civi 1S is it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G+. And here's the Antutu benchmark. For other specs, I will just list them on the screen. That's the video, so please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sammy and we'll see you in the next one.
Okay.